Don't.
Please, home country, pay the ransom. We're exhausted.
Don't act so deflated, Johan.
I'm tired.
So we got notice last night that our trip once again has been delayed. Right now, maybe until July 1st-ish, maybe earlier.
End of June, possibly.
But that's all right. We're making the most of it.
Yeah, we're doing what we can over here. So we just switched resorts again. So I'm gonna check this place out. It's called Hollywood Mirage.
Yeah.
We don't know anything about it yet. We just got checked in.
Kind of looks like an apartment, but you'll see the video on that.
Yeah. So, all right. So, you know, like all communities that come together, you know, there's going to be some drama. So we had some people that have voiced their opinions, fair and square. There are people that, you know, there have been delays and people are unhappy with this and that. But there are several people. We have this WhatsApp group that we all connect and, you know, just for us to communicate. But it has been kind of hijacked by a couple of people that are just very aggressive, very angry, and even
very negative.
Very negative. And even when I try to voice I don't really speak on these. I just read and see what's going on. But yesterday somebody was very condescending to somebody. So I said, don't be condescending. And I got barraged, like I just murdered somebody, and now I was the problem for speaking out about that. And this person was very adamant and got several cheerleaders, and those cheerleaders are the same people that have continuously had issues with management and everything. And
hopefully they'll find their own group.
Yeah, they'll find their own group, but it's just really annoying to hear all this. Just negativity and finding fault in everything. This is a new venture, and
Kathy and Mike are doing the best
they're doing the best can.
They are communicating, and some people think that they should communicate daily, but that they're very busy. They don't have time to do that. So
yeah.
We are getting communicated Tuesday at tea time, and then on Friday. So
yeah,
we got our update yesterday. We're fine with it.
Exactly. Well, we just gotta like it. I mean, we want this venture to really work out and get on this ship, and we knew there's going to be a lot of hiccups and stuff, but I think it's too much unnecessary chatter for people that are just speculating, and I'd rather communicate directly. We have this Circle app as well where management and everybody is involved. That way we can reach them directly, whilst on this WhatsApp group it worked out great for a while, but yeah, now it's just silly. I mean, it's just crazy. I don't understand. I don't get it. I mean, come on.
A lot of drama, but we told you the good, bad, and ugly.
Yeah, exactly. So
it's gotten, you know, some parts of it's gotten really ugly.
Yeah, it has, and I think that will sort itself out eventually, because you know we've met so many wonderful, awesome people.
Yes, we have. In
our different hotel visits here that are actually on the Villa Vie cruise. So that I really like. It's going to be friends for life there. So
absolutely,
those are the people we're going to hang out with. And we're going to meet many more new people as well. And yeah, we're having fun with it. But it would be great to get on board a ship and actually go sail somewhere. That'd be awesome. But
meanwhile, we are I'm gonna just stay here in Tenerife, and we're only staying 2 nights at this hotel, but we're like way uphill, so we don't think we'll stay here longer than that.
Yeah.
Probably head back downhill again.
Exactly, because here we can't just walk to town. It's going to be like a 25 euro Uber just to get to town, which is not very far, but it's a steep hill. We just walked a quarter down the hill just to get a beer and lunch. And
it's a money maker for Uber for sure. I mean, it's probably what, a half a mile all uphill for $25.
Yeah.
Because they know nobody's going to make that hike.
No. So, yep. Anyway, but if that's our gripe, that's we have.
That's it.
Yeah, we don't have any problems.
We're already getting Nancy now.
Exactly. Look at us. Yeah. So, all right. So that's the update. We're just gonna.
So we don't really know. You know, they still want to get us on board as quick as possible, but maybe July 1st, but probably sooner. Maybe sooner. Hopefully sooner.
I hope so.
But we're here.
All right.
All right.
We are. All right. We'll give you a little more update about the resort and the area we're in tomorrow, I guess. We just got to get acquainted with it. So until then.
Oh, wait. Did you see that I'm famous?
Oh,
I am famous.
yes.
Somebody came up to me today and I was sitting in the lobby at our hotel and asked if I was on YouTube. And I'm like, yeah. Well, gave me knuckles and wished me luck and said they watched us this morning on YouTube. So
What a small world. Yeah, that was in the lobby of our last hotel, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so much famous people here now. You gotta put your sunglasses on.
Wait.
Sunglasses and a hat or something.
There we go.
All right.
Aloha.
Peace out.